The question was asked in the ECET 2021. The shape of bending moment diagram for cantilever beam uniform cantilever beam carrying uniformly distributed load. So cantilever beam is carrying a uniformly distributed load, and for this case what would be the bending moment diagram? So understand that in case of uniformly distributed load, the shear force diagram will have the linear variation, that is x power 1 variation, and at this point you will have maximum shear stress, and this is 0. Same way, bending moment and shear force, the empirical relationship between them is bending moment is equal to integral of shear force times of dx. Okay, so now if you perform the integration, it would be x power 2 behavior. Remember that it's an x power 2 behavior. So x power 2 behavior, it would be taking a shape like this, inverted shape, but it is not going to be a straight line. It's a x power 2 behavior. Okay, so let's check the option. So option A says that it's a straight line. This is valid when bending moment when there is a point load. This is valid when bending moment for the bending moment in a condition when beam is subjected to point load. And for the given question, this is going to be valid for shear force. As per the question, this is valid for shear force. So option A is discarded. Reason is that they are asking for bending moment, not the shear force. Next is, it says hyperbola, ellipse or parabola. So hyperbola is a different kind of curve, ellipse is a closed loop or closed curve, and parabola is more or less appearing. So parabola equation is y is equal to 4 times of ax square or something like this. So now if you try to write the bending moment equation for by considering parabola or section xx, if you consider, so this is bending moment is equal to w into x by 2 it is. So you end up getting that as wx square by 2. This is the equation of the parabola, whereas mathematical equation for hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, something of this type. And for ellipse, it is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So it's going to be a straightforward parabola. You can find the relevance over here. So option D is the answer.